Everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert inverted triangle in Word document like this one. So this is simple and easy. Let's get started. So first you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and click on the shapes, and in the basic shape you will see that isosceles triangle. You need to pick it up and now hold down the shift key and drag your mouse to draw the triangle. And if you want to remove the color of the triangle, then go to the shape format and click on the shape fill and remove the color to the no fill. You can move this triangle to anywhere, and now Ctrl C to Ctrl V to make a duplicate copy so you can see the steps easily. Now how you can inverted triangle this. So for this you need to pick this rotate handle and rotate your mouse towards the right side to make it inverted like this one. There is another way. You can select the triangle and then go to the shape format, and here is the rotate. You need to click on this arrow and click flip vertical. This will be transformed into inverted triangle. You can increase the thickness of the triangle. For this you need to click on the triangle and go to the shape format, click on the shape outline, click on the weight and increase the width to 3 pt. You can change the color as well. Go to the shape format and click the shape outline and change the color to the red like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can insert inverted triangle in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.